Hello and welcome back. My name is Sherry and this is So Sherry Sews. Today's video is an unboxing on a recent fabric purchase that I made from EKB Textiles. So I stumbled across this website just searching online for different Ponte fabrics and found this one. They are based out of California and they had reasonable prices on their website. So I'm going to show you the fabrics that I purchased as well as what I was thinking about making with those fabrics. So let's see what we have. Alrighty. So the first thing that I purchased was a 1x1 rib knit, just in black. I feel like I always need some of this fabric for trims, for rib cuffs. Really nice fabric, no complaints here. And they're nice enough to add a tag to let you know the style number, the quantity, and the color. So just plain basic 1x1 rib knit. All right, so next, this is kind of folded a little off. This is, let's see here. This is pleather, 60 inches wide, and the color is called Rust, and then it has a soft backing on it. So I'm not sure if that can pick up really well. Really nice fabric. And so I intend on making with this fabric McCall's 8149. I'll insert a picture of that pattern. And on the pattern envelope itself, the model is wearing a pleather skirt in a similar color. And I really think that would look nice. I'm not sure yet. I'm undecided if I'm going to make the version with the pleat in the front or the pleat in the back. One of the things I look at with trying to make a kick pleat is that with pleather, you can't really press it and get a nice crisp edge on it. But the pattern with the pleat in the back is just folded on itself. So it will lay a lot flatter. So nice fabric. All right. Next, this is an ivory Ponte. And so in this package, I actually have 3 different Pontes. This one is going to be an accent color. So the pattern I'm looking at for this one, let's see. This is an older Mimi G pattern, Simplicity 8547. I'll insert a picture of that pattern. But it's a color block dress. You have a few different views. One's a 3/4, one's a short sleeve. I think that would look really good if you have smaller quantities of fabric. So like I said, I purchased 3 different colors and I think those would blend very well together and make a nice garment. So let's move on to the next one. All right. So more pleather. So this is a black pleather. This is actually my second order from EKB Textiles. So I did order some black pleather in a previous order and decided to order a little bit more. And the pattern I'm thinking about making with this fabric is ME2110. This is a Brittany J. Jones pattern. Pleather is not one of the recommended fabrics on it, but she recently had a short in which she styled pleathered pants that had elastic at the ankles with another one of her patterns. It's a jacket. It's a unisex pattern. It's her and her husband modeling it. I can't remember the pattern number off the top of my head, but I will list it in the description box. I did send a message to her on the short asking if the pants she was wearing was actually her pattern, and she said it was not. But I think that would be a good make. So that's what I intend on making with the black pleather. All right. So this might not be able to pick up well. So this is navy. really nice, rich navy ponte. I really like that. Nice weight to it. And so with this navy ponte, let's see, I want to make new look 6794. So this is a newer pattern, I think maybe like last year. It's a suit pattern, but the recommended fabric for this suit is ponte knit. It has a skinnier leg pant, cropped, nice detail seams on the shoulder for the blazer. Really nice pattern. I think this navy would look really nice. And again, looking at the other Mimi G pattern, the color block dress, we got navy, we got ivory. And the last color for the ponte is burgundy. I love burgundy. Purple, burgundy, navy. I really love those colors, but burgundy has my heart. I'm not even sure if this view would do it justice on how pretty this is. So just imagining that Mimi G dress, I've kind of layer that a little bit so you can see. Color blocking these three colors, I think that would be really classy. Really classy. But with the burgundy, the pattern that I intend on making is actually a free pattern that was on Mood Fabric's website. It's called the Camarillo Cardigan and the Magdalene midi skirt. I think this would look really nice. Probably the only change I would make on the cardigan, the neckline's a bit high and kind of go straight across. I think I might look at some way of how to alter that and bring it down just a little bit, that way I can picture wearing that if I wanted to wear it together with the midi skirt as one look, and then if I want to just wear the cardigan itself on its own open with another shirt, I think having a lower neckline would really complement that a lot better. But I love that burgundy. It's really nice. All right, so next I have some baby French terry. Let's see if I can find a spot to open it up. I'll just go here. All right, so I purchased this in two colors. One is a burgundy. Really nice. I believe that will drape really well. And let me show you the navy, and then I'll show you the pattern that I'm looking at making. Let's see here. This navy kind of gives me like a denim kind of feel to it. You know, those knits that, like the denim knits, but it's not. It is a baby French terry, but it kind of reminds me of that. So the pattern that I would like to make with this, the burgundy and the navy, is Simplicity 9929. So this is a Mimi G pattern. On the envelope, you have Mimi G as well as Brittany J. Jones modeling it. I love the drape on the neckline. I think this is a real easy outfit to put on and get out the door. I think this would be good for spring. This is a lightweight baby French terry, so probably could wear it in the summer a little bit and early fall, but I think this would be something easy just to throw on some sneakers, out the door, go run errands, go to the grocery store, whatever you need to do. But really nice, like those fabrics. All right, and lastly, I picked up, this is 100% cotton wash denim. Really nice. Nice lightweight, perfect for summer, spring. So I haven't really decided exactly what I want to do with this fabric yet. I think it would make a nice button-down shirt. Could also make a nice shirt dress as well. I know that it will iron up real crisp. It might end up being a button-down shirt. I really like button-down shirts. Really nice. So the website that I purchased these fabrics from is called EKB Textiles. I will list it in the description box. Prices, I believe, are very reasonable. I might make another video of the first purchase that I made for them that made me turn around and purchase again. Shipping was really quick. I'm on the East Coast. Like I said, they're on the West Coast. I want to say I got it within, I think it's like 7 or 8 days total, including the weekends. Really quick service, good quality. I look forward to sewing up garments with them. I don't have a timeline of when each garment will come out, but those were my vision of what I like to do for the fabrics. So thank you for taking the time out to see my video of the unboxing of these fabrics. I appreciate you stopping by again. Please take the time to like my video, make a comment, subscribe if you wish, and if you feel inclined to share my videos, I would appreciate that too. So until next time, excuse me, take care.